Hello everyone, this is Anna from Leximbue Journals. Welcome to Tag Team Friday. Today I'm going to make a tag using printables from the Graphics Fairy premium membership site, and the bundle that I've used is the Gilded Age. I have taken these tags from this bundle and I have printed them on 118% size because I want these to use these two, and I wanted to enlarge them, not too big, not too small, just a good size to work with. So I am using also this frame, which I printed on 45%, and these ladies and this little girl here. The chandelier is much larger. I wanted it to be larger, so it's 75%. Also, I will be using acetate and of course scissors, this red ribbon, which happens to be elastic as well, and it matches this color of the chandelier, gilding wax, distress ink, and this hole puncher. Create a hole here and this brad here to attach it onto. So let us begin. So the plan is that I will have this as a background, and then I will create the opening here on the frame. What I do is I just like to punch a hole and then cut inside it. I will glue the acetate onto this the back of this frame. So I need to cut the acetate into that to size it up, and it always helps if I cut it around the frame. And so I have that ready, and I will glue it onto the frame. So I will use my glue. This is the glue I use, Collal, and glue around the frame so that it attaches onto the acetate. And then with this little piece of paper I just spread the glue around, because I don't want too much glue, because I don't want it to come through onto the acetate and make it it doesn't look good if that happens. So I will glue the acetate over it, and it's ready. And this way you can create your frames for anything you like on your projects. It's rather nice. Now I will cut also to these ladies to fit. And again I will use this part to glue them onto. That's right. I will bring them as close as I can to round them up into the frame. And then cut the excess from the bottom of the bottom part. So they're ready, and now I will attach the frame onto the background here. So I will glue them on. To this. I will use some distress ink to give them a little bit of aging, give the tags a bit of definition. And I will do the same with the one I'm going to be using on the top. And the chandelier. A bit of distress ink makes it all look a lot better, more defined, more aged, and it also helps with all the cutting, because this one I have fussy cut, and you know, it's not perfect obviously. So that's ready now. The next thing I will do is add gilding wax, which I use a lot, and of course with it being a Gilded Age tag, it's just the right thing to do. It's very you know, appropriate for it. And I will add some gilding wax all around the chandelier. I will also add gilding wax onto the tag. Again, it gives it a nice definition. Now that we are ready, I will connect these parts together. So the idea is that it opens up like that, and it unfolds, and you see the frame underneath, and the top has got this lovely chandelier. And so I will prepare my brad here, and they always work upside down for some reason, and connect these three parts that I want to use. And the hole will be here. So I will turn it upside down. It's easier, and this way you can see the hole as well. I'll use my hole puncher just to... Now the final part is adding this lovely ribbon, and I will push it from the back onto the front. Like this. And then I want to measure how much I would like to have of this ribbon onto the tag. So I haven't cut it beforehand, I just left it so that I can measure it, and I put this through. and just cut the extra bit of ribbon that I don't need. So the tag is ready, and the chandelier moves like any chandelier would like to, and it also shines with the light. And then just moving it this way, one can see this frame with the ladies and the little girl underneath, and the lovely background. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will be talking again very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.